The United Democratic Party today released its second list of candidates for the Khadc and Jhadc elections. The party today announced the names of the 9 candidates, including 6 for the Jhadc and 3 for the Khadc. Speaking on the occasion, UDP President Medbat Lingdo informed that they have announced the second list of candidates after thorough screening based on the recommendation and proposal given by different constituencies. The elections for both autonomous district councils are scheduled to be held on February 21st next year.
Ketika second round, nanti ke list ke bawah, mana kalian jong ke parti UDP, ni lah sim ya ka rai ya ka bangin pelat pada mentasa ki kendai ngut ki kandidat ki ban yakun ya ketika election jong kini ki atlet ki autonomous council. Kau mana kalian mana dengan orang bahas kemana? Bakam ni bang di sujud taman labu kandidat hagan nunggu susi. Ndai yang dapat syom nonglim bah, ia kajen jin jomi bak kajen ayat tiket nak bantah bakin dei kandidat jomi.
Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijaya Shankar